In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk dashboard. Zendesk is an incredible customer service solution offering a plethora of tools to streamline your support processes. And today we're going to break down the process of setting up your own dashboard in just a few minutes. Now to get started, you'll first want to open up your web browser and head over to dozendesk.com. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the sign in option. You'll see it prominently displayed on the home page. Give it a click to proceed to the login page. Once you're at the login screen, go ahead and enter your email address and password. If you've got multi-factor authentication set up, make sure to have your device handy for that extra security step. After your credentials are in, simply click sign in again to enter your Zendesk account. Upon successfully logging in, you'll land on your Zendesk dashboard. Now direct your attention to a square icon. Typically this is situated in the navigation menu. Clicking this will lead you to the Explore section, which serves as Zendesk's hub for analytics. In the Explore section, you'll spot an option labeled Create Dashboard. Clicking on this will initiate the dashboard creation process. Here you have the flexibility to start from scratch or use one of the available templates provided by Zendesk to streamline the process. Templates are designed to give you a head start by providing a structured layout that's already filled with insightful analytics and metrics typical to customer service operations. Spend a moment to browse through these, and once you've found a template that aligns with your goals or interests, click on Select to use it. Once your template is loaded up, you have full control to customize it to your exact needs. Whether it's adjusting charts, tables, or any metrics, feel free to tailor them. Unique metrics that are particularly pertinent to your operations can be highlighted here. Finally, after you're satisfied with the customization of your dashboard, it's time to share your hard work. You can do this by clicking the Share button. This feature allows you to distribute the dashboard to other team members or stakeholders, ensuring everyone has access to the same data insights. And there you have it, a fully customized Zendesk dashboard up and running. It's that simple. Remember, dashboards are dynamic tools that evolve as your business needs change, so revisit them periodically to ensure they continue to serve your team effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy dashboarding.